In a small village nestled amidst emerald fields, there lived two neighbors, Hideo and Jiro. For years, a deep-seated animosity had festered between them, like a relentless storm brewing on the horizon. The feud began when Jiro's horse broke free and trampled Hideo's prized garden, crushing his carefully nurtured flowers and herbs. Enraged and feeling wronged, Hideo confronted Jiro, demanding reparation for the damages. Jiro, consumed by his own pride, refused to acknowledge any fault. Instead, he blamed Hideo for not securing his garden adequately. The exchange grew heated, and harsh words were exchanged. From that moment, a rift grew between them. No longer did they share pleasantries or offer greetings. Instead, they found ways to thwart each other, seeking opportunities for revenge. Years passed, and the feud intensified. Hideo would release his chickens to scratch up Jiro's garden, while Jiro played pranks that left Hideo's tools in disarray. Each retaliatory act deepened their bitterness. One day, an elderly traveler named Zenji arrived in the village. Upon learning of the ongoing feud, he sought an audience with Hideo and Jiro. Zenji, known for his wisdom, shared a story of two travelers who, in their quest for revenge, lost sight of their own happiness. Hideo and Jiro listened intently as Zenji continued. Taking revenge and refusing to forgive may seem justifiable, but in the end, it's a path filled with bitterness and suffering. You have both spent years trapped in this cycle of retribution, and it has brought you nothing but pain. The two neighbors exchanged glances, realizing the truth in Zenji's words. Zenji concluded, "Forgiving doesn't mean condoning the wrong, and revenge doesn't bring lasting satisfaction. Instead, consider the possibility of letting go of this feud. Free yourselves from the burden of resentment, for it is a weight that grows heavier with time." Hideo and Jiro reflected on their choices. They realized that their pursuit of revenge had not brought them happiness, only more conflict and sorrow. Reluctantly, they agreed to a truce, pledging to put an end to their feud. As the seasons passed, Hideo and Jiro began to rebuild their gardens and their friendship. The once barren soil of their relationship now flourished with the seeds of reconciliation. This story teaches us that while taking revenge may seem justifiable and forgiveness may be challenging, neither path leads to lasting peace and happiness. Holding on to grudges and seeking retaliation only perpetuates suffering and conflict. It reminds us that sometimes the wisest choice is to let go of bitterness, seek reconciliation, and free ourselves from the burdens of anger and resentment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next one.